Welcome, little droplets. Today, you learn to make rain. It is a great responsibility. You must focus. Nimbus, your first assignment, Sunnyville.
Yes, sir. Focus. Rain. Water. Candy. Look up in the sky. It's raining gummy bears. Catch them!
It's a sweet miracle!
Rain! Way to go, Nimbus! You did it!
That was not rain, Nimbus.
But they liked it.
Your purpose is to provide water for the plants and people, not to create a sticky mess. Try again. This time, think only of water.
I can't get this stuff off the sidewalk.
It's everywhere! This is ridiculous! Don't be creative! Be boring! Like laundry. Don't be creative! Be boring! Like... Oh dear! Not the socks! I can't stop it! Somebody help me, please! Ew!
L.W.
Run! Everyone run!
It's the socks! Cover your noses! Hide in the bakery!
Nimbus, we need to talk.
I messed up again.
Focus is not about thinking of something boring. It is about clearing your mind of everything else.
Yay, candy!
Ugh, gross socks. Must concentrate.
Go on, one more time for Sunnyville.
Look at all the frogs!
Wow, this is the best day ever. I'm catching so many.
Look at my frog jump! I'll make mine go higher.
I need to focus and protect them.
These are so good!
Ugh, gross.
Look at the frog! Look at the froggy go! I made a huge splash!
Let's do it again.